fast life. Play it loose and act tight. Fat thighs, gaslight. Yeah, it's about damn time. Blow it up like a landmine. My gaslight. Yeah, right. Fast life.
It's today and Lisbon's pulsing in its languid way. Found James Joyce. We're heading out of the centre to a creative space called LX Factory. So I'm going to be thinking about ways to make our office environments more creative. Sorry. In our offices, I think we should have more books. It's really creating an environment so good that your job title doesn't matter. Observe life in all the ways that it's beautiful, then make it better for someone else. That's our job in HR, doing that over and over and over again. Anyone who tells you otherwise has already lost the way.
Gaslight, yeah right, fast life. Play it loose and act tight. Fat thighs, gaslight. Yeah, it's about damn time.
More books.
Blow it up like a landmine. My gaslight, yeah right, fast life. Play it loose and act tight. Fat thighs, gaslight. It's about damn time. Blow it up.
Job title doesn't matter, because you do great work there.